Hey everybody, here for a moment. Though we do travel vlogs all the time, today we're going to do something a little bit different, and that involves eating snacks. Last time we did chocolates from New Zealand, which I'll put the link up here. You can check that out. Today we are going to try chocolates from Japan. All right, here we go. So we just got back from an Asian market that had a bunch of snacks, drinks, but particularly we saw something on the end aisle, which actually was some Kit Kats. Yes, I know Kit Kats is American, but there were flavors that we had never seen before. Yes. So we made sure that we grabbed them, and we're gonna try 4 different Kit Kats from Japan. Let's do this.
All right, guys, which one should we start with? We have milk tea.
Milk tea.
We have ice cream.
Ice cream, that sounded really good.
We have matcha.
Not sure how I'm gonna feel about that one.
And we have chocolate orange.
Orange chocolate together is really, really good.
All right.
Remember buying that.
Yeah, we did.
So which one should we try first?
Milk tea?
All right,
All right, down
let's do
here,
it.
let's try milk tea. Here we go. All right, first one is milk tea. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this. You like tea? I'm not a big fan of tea.
Milk.
But we're gonna start with Elisha. You got yours open yet?
Almost.
It kind of has an Earl Grey smell.
I get that, yeah.
Earl Grey.
All right, Elisha, bite into it. Let them know what you think.
Elisha likes milk tea. Do you like milk tea
Oh,
Kit Kat?
you like milk tea Kit Kat. All right, one. Everly, you're gonna try it now. Let us know what you think. Oh, you like it, all right, Ezekiel?
Ezekiel likes milk tea also. Does it taste like a cup of tea?
No.
No? What do you-
Tastes different?
Elisha, did it taste like a cup of tea? No?
It tastes
Okay.
like the white chocolate Hershey's.
Okay. So
Okay,
like the
let's
white
see.
chocolate, I get how you can get that. Let's try it, okay?
Okay. To me, it tastes like if you're having a cup of tea and you dip your biscuit or your cookie
Yeah,
in your tea.
a cookie and a tea in a Kit Kat form.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like.
I actually enjoy it.
And it does have an Earl Grey flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I taste the Earl Grey.
All right, first one we enjoyed. Did you like the first one?
Yes.
All right,
Yeah.
milk tea, delicious.
Which one should we try next?
Which one?
Ice
It's
cream.
between the orange
cream.
or the ice cream
Okay,
Kit Kat.
the two go for ice cream, so we're gonna go for ice cream.
All right, let's do this.
Woo!
Ice cream Kit Kats. All right, so another white chocolate. So if you don't like white chocolate, you might not like the first 2 so far, but we're gonna try this.
But it smells like,
Ooh.
have you ever had, the ice cream flavored snow cones?
Mm-hmm. I
It
have.
smells like ice cream flavored
I do
snow
like
cones.
that. All right, Elisha, again, lead us off, bud. Let's see if you enjoy it. That's a big bite. What do you think? Good? What does it taste like?
The inside is white too.
The inside is the white wafer too. Okay, Everly, you go, girl. She's
It's
straightforward. It's good. Ezekiel, your turn. He's a deep thinker.
He's not sure. Do you like it? No, you don't like
okay,
it?
all right. Team,
Okay.
here.
Mmm,
Wait, hold on.
it's really sweet.
It is very, very sweet.
It's like vanilla ice cream though.
It is. I like it though. I'm not sure I can eat a whole lot of that though.
Yeah.
That's really sweet. All right,
It does
so
have a very strong vanilla ice cream flavor.
okay,
Oh, yeah?
it's sweet. All right, you guys like that one?
Yeah.
All right, it also has like the waffle cone flavor. That's what I'm getting. I think
Yeah.
really good.
No. All right, which one should we try next?
Orange.
Oh man, they
Chocolate.
just go straight forward.
Orange.
Chocolate. We're going chocolate. We had white chocolate on the first 2. I'm assuming it's a dark chocolate or just a regular
Yeah,
milk
it's
chocolate.
a milk chocolate.
All right, let's see. All right, we are on to some regular milk chocolate. Not sure what the inside, but I know it's gonna taste apparently like orange. So
Chocolate
let's
orange, like a
I want to go first.
Terry's chocolate orange or
like an orange Jaffa that we've had. Yeah.
I want to go first.
All right, let's go with Everly first on this one, Elisha. Everly, what do you think? Thumbs up straight
Always
away.
good.
All right,
Elisha.
Elisha. Oh, full all the way. You like it? That's good. All right, Ezekiel. let's do this.
There is some orange.
There is some orange
Taste the
flavor.
orange.
I like it.
Okay, he likes that one.
Oh, Everly's going back for second.
Okay, all right. Orange Jaffa, basically.
That is so good. I love chocolate orange.
That might be my favorite
That's-
out of the
yeah. Oh,
three
man,
so
that's
far,
good.
but we'll see.
It tastes like it smells like an orange thing that I've had before.
I think you've had the Jaffa orange things around Christmas time. before.
Nancy sends the chocolate oranges.
All right, there's a good one. We got one more left.
The last one, matcha. We're
last
not
one.
Sure. We're not sure.
It looked interesting and we had to try it.
If you like green tea, then you might like this.
He said he thinks you should get a trash can just in case he doesn't like this one. Whoa, they're green.
Yeah, it smells like matcha.
Okay, let's see. We know matcha's good for you. Not sure matcha Kit Kats are good for you,
Here,
but
Bubba, I get this one.
white chocolate and then
Milk chocolate.
milk chocolate. Now I have no idea. It's green.
Green.
It smells just like actual tea. Smelting fat.
Yeah.
Okay, Ezekiel, or no, Elisha, go ahead. Let's see. Thoughts?
Do you like it?
Okay.
Oh, he likes it.
4 for 4. I
Okay.
think it's just because it's Kit Kat, but even though it's
Maybe.
different. All right, Everly, go for it, girl. Let me guess. A thumbs up?
Yeah.
Of course. All right, Ezekiel. He took a small bite. He wasn't sure about that.
It tastes like
If you like a matcha
No.
latte,
I'm not a fan. What? No.
if you like matcha latte, then you'll like it. But it definitely, you can taste the matcha.
You can taste the grittiness of that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a fan of
It
it.
probably has matcha in it.
It's probably the healthiest out of all of them,
Yes.
but I think I'm gonna pass on that. All right, we've tried 4 Kit Kats from Japan that we've never tried the flavors before. Liked all of them, I think, for the most part.
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna have a favorite here. Okay, we're gonna start with Everly. Which one was your favorite? She went with the ice cream. It was good, just really sweet. Not sure how much I could do. All right, Elisha,
Which one
let
was
us
your
know what your
favorite?
favorite is. The milk tea
Milk
one.
tea.
Okay, he does like tea.
Yes.
Cup of tea with some milk at night.
And
I can see how you
sugar.
like that. That was sweet. That wasn't as sweet as the ice cream one. That was actually a really
Yeah,
good one.
it was.
All right, Ezekiel, which one?
Which one's your favorite? Oh, chocolate orange.
Chocolate orange. I think because you didn't really care for the white chocolate, right?
He liked
right.
the milk chocolate
That was
better.
good. Okay, that was good.
All right, my favorite. Oh, goodness. I really like this one because it tasted like a biscuit with a cup of tea, but chocolate
The Jaffa
orange
or
is
yeah,
my
chocolate
favorite.
orange. Okay, that's a good flavor. It's my turn and I'm not too sure, but you think you know which one I was gonna pick? What would be your thoughts if
Chocolate orange.
chocolate orange? I did enjoy that, but if I were just to have just a Kit Kat, just for the sake of having a Kit Kat, I honestly think I enjoyed the milk tea one.
Oh.
Yes, this one right here. I think that was the
Wow.
winner
nobody enjoyed
for
this
me.
one.
No, it was still good, but
It just tasted like
it's a little bit too healthy maybe
It
on
was
that
very.
one.
It was interesting.
All right, so we've had fun testing these out. What would be your favorite out of those 4? Let us know down in the comments which ones you think you would have enjoyed. Also, let us know if you've had just a random Kit Kat. Apparently, there's a lot of flavors
Yeah,
out
there were a lot more to
There were
choose
tons
from.
we can choose at. Let us know which one's your favorite down in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Also, if you've enjoyed this content, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell anytime we drop new content. Or if you'd like to see us do more testing of foods and snacks around the world, let us know as well. Again, thank you for joining us. We will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Hey, fellow adventurers, Benji here.
And Teeny and our 3 amazing kids.
We absolutely love all things travel and cannot wait for our next adventure. As a family, we celebrate faith, family, and adventure. We realize not everybody can travel, but everybody can go on adventure. Our purpose for this channel is to inspire and encourage everyone to live in each and every moment of life, because we are only here for a moment.